How to fix Twitter X app not loading images, pictures, and videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Twitter X app not loading images, pictures, and videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here to fix the issue is you'll need to head over to your control panel and head over to your connectivity settings. On there, simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it back on. This will reconnect your Wi-Fi to a better, stronger, and stable internet connection. After you do that, after you are connected to the internet again, you can then head over to your settings. And on your settings, if your network is still the problem, what you can do is head over to General. On General, scroll down all the way till you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on Reset. Then reset all of your network settings and you should be good to go. Now, if this is for the case that your network is the issue, if your network is not the issue, what you do is head over to your settings again, then General again, then head over to your iPhone storage and there search for X. After you find X, what you'll need to do is you'll need to offload the app. So let me just open X up. There we go. Now offload the app, tap on the offload app button and offload the app completely. After that, reinstall the app and then log back into your account and your problem should get fixed. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.